Wow, big announcement. Global Paints of Australia. These global, remember I used to use them back when I first started painting. They were sold by Riot art stores, but then Riot went bankrupt and basically changed the paints. I think they tried to cut out Global Paints and made their own called Eldorado. But Global are back. They are back. So been sent some lovely stash from Global, and I'll be trying it again to see if it's changed or whatever's any different, but it used to be so good. But the only trouble was you wasn't able to get Global easily in America and the US, but now that's all going to change because Global are supplying to the US and to UK, and I will have links to those global stockists in the US and UK. So how wonderful is that we just got another choice. I mean, there's so many wonderful paints to choose from, but it's just nice, yeah, to have this choice. So thank you Global for sending me these lovely paints, and I will be doing something with them in the very near future. I've got loads more coming, so excited for myself and you guys to show what I can do with these. So looking forward to that. Good morning, you lovely people, and thank you so much for joining me today on this happy day. We have our gorgeous granddaughter, Penny, or full name Penelope Amisha Cube, gorgeous bundle of joy, over 8 pound, born, just the most biggest blackest mop of hair you've ever seen. She's gorgeous. I will try to incorporate some photos. If you didn't see them on the credit, they will be at the end. She's gorgeous, and Mommy is doing really well. Being a first time mom, she's doing excellent job. So proud of her and my son. Yeah, they make gorgeous babies. So of course it's a very exciting, happy time in our family. You know, nobody's going to dull that shine, baby. Not of a new baby being born. It's such a precious gift. So very happy about that. The best Christmas one could have. So without further ado, I am going to just put my happiness on canvas, hopefully. Trying something minimalistic again, but we will see how we go. Just gonna give it a try. So wowzers trousers, I am got my Berry Delicious, and of course in the Berry Delicious I did add, if I can find it, all of it, some of the colour shift, Folk Art colour shift, sort of gives like a holographic. It didn't matter what colour you add, I didn't find to paint. It just gives you paint this wonderful glimmer. Oh my goodness. I can't talk properly today, and I haven't even had a drink. There you go. And no, I don't drink very often. But yeah, so I've added that particular colour shift paint to every cup of paint that I've made up today. And it just gives it gorgeous shimmer. Hopefully I'll bring the camera down to show you guys the effect that it gives when we get further along with this painting. So I'm going to try my minimalistic, well, kind of, but don't take my word for it because it could change. So I'm trying to channel my inner Kathleen Osmore of Cos Creations, because she does minimalistic so well, and I love Kathleen's art. I'm just not very good at minimalistic. I have to go all out. So this might be a start to be minimalistic, but it may not end up being minimalistic. Get my drift? Okie doke. I'm going to add some white here now. I've got a fly. I have not seen any flies, and I've got a fly buzzing around. Now, a big canvas that I did yesterday, a large canvas, 1.2 meters long. So excited for it, and then came in this morning, and there'd been a fly, obviously doing backstroke all night in it because it was well and truly stuck in the canvas. Tried to pull it out, but that didn't end well either because all of its gizzards were. So it's just definitely going to be a painting that is the true meaning of mixed media, flora and fauna added. So these things are sent to try us, but what do you do? It's just an added bonus. My husband said it's got an Aussie fly in it, so so there you go. Okie doke. Try and now, come on, Jilly, you've got to stay minimalistic. Minimalistic. So this is orange, and again I put a good squirt of that colour shift in it. Oh my goodness. I definitely need to put these in squeegee bottles. Do I want to put my blue? Or do I want to go straight to gold? Go for gold. Go for gold. So this is the gold. Pouring medium recipes in the drop down box underneath this video. I will go a little bit of the metallic copper. How on earth am I going to stay minimalistic, Kathleen? Oh, Kathleen, I need you here. I need you here now. Oh dear. Anyway, what do I want to do? I want to go over this as a swipe. Where's my little bits of card? Okay. Oh, I better turn my washing machine off. It's gonna... I've got the washing machine going. I get in the zone and I don't hear these things, and then it's after when I play the video back that I hear all this clanging and carrying on. So sorry about that, guys. Now this is just a little bit of the, actually I should use I've got it mixed up. I've got some Amsterdam white, brilliant white, mixed up with just Floetrol. So I may just use a bit of this on here. And then let's just see how we go. Trying to keep quiet so I keep my focus on minimalistic. Actually loving the orange with that. That is the Berry Delicious there. It looks quite black, but it will dry very deep berry. So, ooh, should I, shouldn't I? Okie doke, let's try this. A bit more of the Amsterdam and Aussie Floetrol Floetrol, doing the Aussie slide. Oh my goodness, that looks so gorgeous. Oh, my excitement again. Sorry about that. No, I'm not sorry. Everybody keeps telling me stop saying I'm sorry, so I'm going to stop saying I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, I'm excited. Exciting time in our lives, and art just makes it even more special. I'm just wondering if I can dip my card in that white paint would come out better. So I might just pour a little bit of that into, I did have a lid yesterday, but that's all dried up. I use the other side of the lid. I'm just going to squirt a bit of the white on there. This actually works better if you're doing swipes like this, to actually dip your card into the Floetrol and paint. So where did I want to go? I have to keep telling myself, minimalistic, minimalistic. Oh my goodness, if you see this close up, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. I love it. Oh goodness. That makes such a difference to just do that Floetrol in there. Wowzers, trousers. Now, this is from the saying from Pretty Woman, if you ever remember that movie way back in the day. I know I said it on my video the other day, and I don't mean to offend anybody, but I think I said something like, oh my goodness, so excited, I nearly wet my pants. Then somebody said, did you say you nearly wet your pants? I said, no. I said, I love the Pirates of Penzance. And that was actually from the movie Pretty Woman. So, there you go. Oh, are you telling me to stop yet? Will somebody slap my hand, please? Oh. Okay, I'm going to stop. Kathleen, make me stop. All right, that is gorgeous, and I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this, because this is so beautiful. I'll just give it a blow with the torch. Heat takes out any air bubbles. No silicone in these paints. I have got a boo-boo bit there where I have got the white over the oh, I'll put another bit in it there, but never mind, still looks okay. Happy accident, serendipity. Let's just break that up a bit. That's stunning. I love it. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at those cells, because that is so pretty. Really lovely. Oh my. And here she is. Oh my goodness. I know it's not as minimalistic as it could have been, but I am absolutely loving it. Yes, it's got to be big next time, but look at this lacing over that Berry Delicious. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. That's just the effects of the Amsterdam paint in Floetrol for swipes. Is the bomb. It really is. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see the glisten on it. Can you see? Let me try and get the angle. Maybe I should have left the light on above, and then it would show the glistening in the paint. It's stunning. I'm really, really happy with it, and I hope you like it too. And I will do a big one in it. And yeah, again, Kathleen Osmore, she does beautiful swipes, and we are doing a collaboration pretty soon, hopefully before Christmas. So There you go. There's my minimalistic beauty, and I love it. I love those colours, love it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. There'll be another video up tomorrow as usual. I'll put one up every single day. Give me a comment if you like it, and just thank you for your ongoing support. I always appreciate each and every one of you. So I'll wish you all good health, happiness, and stay safe, people. And bye for now.